Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And today we're going to talk about one of our biggest obsessions, fruit.
So in case you haven't noticed, we are completely obsessed with fruit, eating it of course, but also in our skincare.
Which is why we started the Glow Recipe skincare line harnessing the power of fruit, starting with watermelon and blueberry.
So let's dive right in. Starting off with our OG favorite, watermelon. So this amazing fruit actually came from a DIY tradition. Both Sarah and myself, in the hot summers in Korea, our grandmothers used to slice the rind after we devoured the watermelon, and a hint of flesh left on the rind, and she would just rub it all over our heat rashes, and we would see it time and time again really soothe and cool the skin. It was almost like nature's version of an ice cube.
It is incredibly anti-inflammatory, and we all need the cooling, calming, and soothing benefit from this fruit, and it is one of the most powerful fruit to actually soothe the skin, which is why it worked during the hot summer months in Korea.
Exactly. It has a ton of amino acids, which is great for nourishing and conditioning the skin, as well as vitamins A and C, and lycopene.
Lycopene is actually a superstar ingredient in watermelon. We read tons of articles about this hidden gem, and the reason is because it really fights with the free radicals. It is a superpower antioxidant.
And you probably hear a lot about antioxidants being talked about in skincare. And the reason for that is antioxidants are a daily must-have for skin. Basically, everything out there, the environment, sun, pollution, they create these free radicals which scavenge the skin. Think of hyenas kind of roaming the desert looking for prey.
I'm visualizing it now.
And they take away healthy cells from your skin cells. So what antioxidants do is they help to neutralize these free radicals and keep them at bay. So both morning and night, having an antioxidant in your skincare routine is really essential.
Yeah, and those are the best ways to fight signs of aging. The second new fruit that we're really obsessed about is pineapple. Pineapple is incredibly rich in antioxidants.
Pineapple is naturally rich in vitamin C, which is really why it's such an amazing ingredient to help minimize dark spots and brighten skin tone and even tone overall.
What's really amazing about pineapple is that it actually is beyond just a brightening fruit. It has bromelain enzymes and natural AHAs, which help to resurface the skin and ultimately give that smooth, silky canvas.
So we get this question a lot. Pineapple is kind of sugary sweet when you eat it. Is it really good for skin? And the answer is yes. The sugars and the electrolytes in pineapple create this osmosis effect that draw up water from the deeper layers of the skin, and they want to create a balanced hydration in the skin. So it's actually great for all skin types.
Yeah, and I think if you really talk about glass skin result, this is the most powerful fruit that we know can provide that, because again, it's beyond just brightening. It helps to smooth, exfoliate, renew your skin, but also hydrate all at the same time. Sometimes vitamin C users say that they can be drying for the skin, but pineapple hydrates, so it's a great fruit to combat that.
Another fruit that's great for skin, avocado. So when we first started talking about avocado, we're both big avocado toast lovers, who isn't? But discovering all the skin benefits that this amazing fruit has was a really exciting part of the process, and also why we harness so many different parts of the fruit. And basically, the entire avocado is really rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids.
These omega-3 and fatty acids are amazing for the skin because they mimic the skin's natural lipid layers and also give amazing moisture.
Additionally, avocado has oleic and linoleic acids, which help to condition and moisturize the skin without heaviness.
And I think all of these together really help to strengthen the skin's barrier. And on to blueberry, last but not least, which is known as the holy grail of antioxidants.
We were really excited to pack a cleanser with this antioxidant superfruit because we believe that even with cleansers, it's really important what ingredients go into it. And the way we designed the blueberry cleanser was so that even in the amount of time that it's touching your skin, as you massage it into the skin, it gives lasting skin benefits.
Blueberry is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, which help to brighten the skin, even the skin tone, but also lock in moisture. It also helps to boost skin's collagen production and ultimately gives that bright exfoliated result at the same time. A blueberry is known as the most rich in antioxidants in all of the berries.
So those were 4 of our favorite fruits, especially for skincare. And we're always researching what other fruits there are out there that we could use for our next formulations.
Yeah, we're looking for that superfruit. So if you have any ideas or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to explore and come up with the best innovation.
All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe and
Get your glow on!